Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another John Chow screencast. In this video, I want to talk about the ClickFunnels affiliate program. I know that recently a lot of you have signed up for the ClickFunnels One Funnel Away Challenge, and that is designed to help you use ClickFunnels to increase your business. Like if you're a doctor, you can use it to create a sales page to get more patients. If you're selling anything online, you can use ClickFunnels to do that. And that's how most people use ClickFunnels. They use the tool to increase their business. And in fact, a lot of people, probably most of ClickFunnels customers, do not realize that ClickFunnels has an affiliate program where if you refer a customer to ClickFunnels and they become a customer, ClickFunnels will give you a commission. So specifically, I want to talk about the affiliate program. So instead of using ClickFunnels, to do your business, whatever it is you do, I want to talk about how you can make money with ClickFunnels by promoting ClickFunnels. Yeah. So, all right. And the reason why I like the ClickFunnels affiliate program is because it meets all of my requirements of a great affiliate program. Number one, it's a residual passive income program. See, the ClickFunnels service is $97 a month, and the affiliate commission is 40% for life. So when you refer a customer to ClickFunnels, they pay $97 a month, you get 40% of that. And next month, 40% of that. So as long as they remain a customer, you will keep making it 40%. So this is a passive residual income. So you build up customers and you can have a pretty good passive income source, just like Weber, I have that. But ClickFunnels is another one. And the second reason ClickFunnels makes a great affiliate program is because they tag the customer to you for life. Once your customer signs up for ClickFunnels, anything else they buy from ClickFunnels, you get a commission for. Unlike, say, Amazon, where when I refer a customer to Amazon and they buy something from Amazon, anything they buy within the first 24 hours from Amazon, I would get commission for, but after 24 hours, the cookie expires, and if they buy anything else, I don't get any money for that, even though I was the person who sent Amazon a customer. And this is a reason why Amazon don't start mailing your customers until 24 hours after they enter the site. The cookies expire. But ClickFunnels, customers are tagged to you for life. So when I refer customers to ClickFunnels, they buy a ClickFunnels product, I get a commission from that. If they buy any other of Russell's products, I get a commission for that as well, for the life of the customer. So it's like building my own business. And the third reason I like ClickFunnels as an affiliate program is that it's free to join. Doesn't cost anything. See, some affiliate program, like Lead Pages, requires you to be a Lead Pages customer before you can be a Lead Page affiliate. ClickFunnels, you don't have to be a ClickFunnels customer to be a ClickFunnels affiliate. But I do recommend you actually do use ClickFunnels. I mean, it's hard to promote something that you don't personally use. That I don't do that way. Everything that I promote, I use. I promote HostGator, I'm a HostGator customer. I promote Aweber, I'm an Aweber customer. I promote ClickFunnels, I'm a ClickFunnels customer, right? So, but just know that it is free to join, and if you don't want to be a customer, you don't have to be, even though I don't see why you wouldn't be. But so one of the most common questions I get about the ClickFunnels affiliate program is, how much money can you make? I mean, let's see it. How much can I expect to make? And while I don't know how much you can make, what I could do is I can show you how much I have made with the affiliate program. All right. Now, before I show you the numbers, I want to let you know the usual disclaimer. These are my results. Okay, and my results is nowhere indicative of what your results will be. Just because I could do this doesn't mean you could do this as well. I mean, it's up to you, right? It's basically your effort, your work, and how much it will determine how much you can make. So I'm going to show you how much I made with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. And the other thing is, this is how much I made with the ClickFunnels affiliate program only for me promoting ClickFunnels. I do make money with ClickFunnels other ways too. Like I use ClickFunnels like a regular customer. I would use it to create landing pages to sell products. But these are only how much I make from referring customers through ClickFunnels and having them buy the ClickFunnels products. All right, so check it out. All right, so this is my results right here, this ClickFunnels dashboard. And so far today, as of Tuesday, February 26, 8:36 a.m., I made $39.75. So, but you know, the day's not over yet. It's only 8:36 a.m., so we'll see. But last 7 days, pretty good, $2,400. And the last 30 days, $5,544.23. And if you look over here, you can see my daily results. So that's today so far, $39. Yesterday, $120. February 24th, $654, $610, $383, $72, $418. So yeah, pretty good. This is only promoting ClickFunnels only. As I said, this is not my income from using ClickFunnels to sell other stuff. This is how much I made with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. So yeah, you can definitely make good money with it. In fact, it's one of my best passive income source. And the cool thing is, because ClickFunnels is a monthly service, people pay for this every single month. This last 30 days, this money I'm making right here, $5,000. This is pretty passive income, because and it keeps going up because I keep adding new customers to ClickFunnels. So my 40% keeps added. So, you know, like I've been promoting, and since I started promoting ClickFunnels, I've lifetime income here is $66,947.01. And I think I took it seriously, promoting it for, I guess, over a year now. So not too bad. I expect it to keep increasing. My goal is to get ClickFunnels to over 10K a month, 5 figures, and I think it could be done. It's just a matter of just keep adding more customers to it and keep earning that 40%. All right. So if you want to find out more about this and how you can join the ClickFunnels affiliate program, how you can use ClickFunnels to make money, they say you can use ClickFunnels to make money by using the software to create sales pages to promote your business, which is what most people do. Or you can also use ClickFunnels to be an affiliate and refer other customers to ClickFunnels, because honestly, it's a great service. It really is a great service. I mean, virtually every business needs this, so it's pretty easy to sell. It's pretty easy to sell. And probably the fourth reason, and I said the third reason why ClickFunnels is a great affiliate program, but the fourth reason is training. Training. ClickFunnels has a fantastic training program. And if you want to be an affiliate, ClickFunnels has this service called the Affiliate Bootcamp. And the Affiliate Bootcamp is a 100-day, I guess, training where Russell will teach you as a new ClickFunnels affiliate for the next 100 days, telling you what to do and how to set up and promote ClickFunnels. So at the end of 100 days, here's the goal. The goal is simply this: after 100 days, you will have 100 customers to ClickFunnels earning 40%. So work it out, $97 a month. You get 40%, which is about $40. You get 100 of those customers. That's almost $4,000 a month. And it's like, guys, join 100-day, become a full-time ClickFunnels affiliate, an extra $4,000 a month in the next 100 days. Is it doable? I'm living proof that it's doable, because my month thing, I'm making over $5,000 a month now. So I've done this already. So I'm making I'm proof, like I said. Again, disclaimer, you have to do work, right? So my result is my result. So you have to do work. But the affiliate program is free to join. And here's the kicker. The affiliate bootcamp, it's free. The entire training, the 100-day step-by-step program, where videos, training, live calls, all free. Totally free. Completely, you don't pay anything for it. So sign up is free, join for free, start promoting ClickFunnels, start making money. Why is Russell giving this away? It's because he's in it like me. It's the long game. If you're successful promoting ClickFunnels, you'll be successful too, right? So he wants you to be a successful affiliate, and the best way to have a successful affiliate is to train them himself, and that's what this affiliate bootcamp is for. So if you want to promote an affiliate program that meets all my requirements of what a great affiliate program is: residual income, customer tag free for life, free to join, and a great training program, sign up for the affiliate bootcamp Link is down below. Go through the program, and then in the next 100 days, you do the work. You could become a ClickFunnels super affiliate. Like me. All right. So anyway, any question, comments, leave it down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Let me know. JohnShop@JohnShop.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Please like and share my video. And if you're brand new here, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hear from you guys, and it really does help me a lot. So see you guys next time.